Hello everybody, just going to show you a little bit on how to make your own banner if you're interested in making your own banner to raise awareness about what's going on. This is one of the websites that I've found. It's called bannerbuzz.ca, so they should be delivering from Canada instead of importing from the States and stuff. So what you do is go to this website and then you follow my mouse. You're going to choose the yard awareness signs. So this is basically like a general look of the yard sign. There's a little bit of few things that you want to customize based on your own needs. So if you look at the material, you probably want the non-reflective, and as for the size, you have this 12 by 18 or 24 by 18 inch or 36 by 24 inch, or you can choose feet if you want as your parameter. This is your inch. If you want, the thing is with each of these customization, you need a proper image with the proper the size and stuff. If you want, let me know the size you want and then send it to this email, www.RevYourShirt, or send it to my business email, RevYourShirt@gmail.com, and I'll send you the proper picture with the a proper size with JPEG file, because they want a JPEG file for this. And the quantity, you probably just want one. If you want more, there's like this per item price. So that if you buy at least two, it's $8.89, I think. Instead of $9.36, we just buy one item. For a two-sided, you're probably gonna choose no, but you can have double-sided pictures if you want. The UV print, I'm not sure what that is, but it's a yes. Metal stakes, if you want these two things, you probably want to click yes, so you can just put it on as soon as the material is delivered to your house. Instructions if you have any. So that's basically the general. That's all you need in order to get this thing going. And for on the right side, the upload artwork, you're going to choose this because I'll be sending you the image that you need for the logo, for the black ribbon logo. So $10.86 is not including tax, so you're gonna proceed to checkout, and then you're going to choose the artwork. You're gonna click here, and then this is just my files. The file that I'll be sending to you, you're gonna go to downloads, you're gonna go to your download folders, and then you're just gonna download it. Okay, so and then you're gonna upload it. I'm just gonna use, for example, this image of the black ribbon itself. Upload, and then it's gonna show you this picture, and then you're just gonna click add to cart. And after that, it's just gonna give you a general overview of how much it's gonna cost and the shipping, delivery stuff, a tax, and they give you like a little announcement. They may come a little bit late, and it does tell you that delivery is by Friday, May 28th. I know they have a way to have it delivered to you faster, but I think you have to pay more. And that is basically how it works. And then you just click. Oh yeah, so for the shipping, if you just choose Ontario, maybe if you live in Ontario, there's a priority shipping, which is going to cost you a lot more, and this is a standard shipping, $12. So that's it. So you're just going to choose that, and then you go to checkout, and then this is where you just log in with your credentials, and then you're just gonna go follow the prompts to pay and stuff to finalize your purchase. And that is it. If you have any questions, just leave your comments below under this video, and happy nursing.